Meaning of glassblower.
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 Glassblower. A glassblower is a skilled artisan who creates objects from molten glass using various techniques such as blowing, shaping, and coloring. Glassblowers typically work in a studio or factory and use tools such as blowpipes, molds, and kilns to create a wide range of products, including vases, bowls, sculptures, and even laboratory equipment. This profession requires a high degree of technical skill and creativity, as well as an understanding of the properties of glass and how it behaves during the blowing process. Glassblowing has a rich history dating back thousands of years and is still practiced today by artisans around the world.